Everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by JK Rakhan. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the SSB selection criteria with the recommended candidate, and this candidate who is appearing on the screen has been cleared the stage 1 and stage 2 of the SSB, and in this video we shall discuss few important questions from your side that you have put it in the comment section, and I hope that in this video you will get all the queries clear of your questions that you have put it in the comment section. So let us start firstly with the basic discussion, that is what will be the selection criteria under the stage 1 and under stage 2, because previously we have already discussed that what will be the selection criteria in order to get shortlisted in the SSB interview based on your percentage. Your call letter has been sent to your registered mail ID, and now you need to report to your respective SSB board, and then after your stage 1 and stage 2 will be initiated there. So this gentleman whose name is Anubhav Sharma, and he will tell about the stage 1 and stage 2, what are the things that are required to bring while reporting to the SSB board. Your important documents we have already discussed, your important essentials that are required during the pandemic at this moment also, and RT-PCR report we have already discussed. What are the essential items you need to keep with you while present in the SSB board. So Mr. Anubhav, firstly please introduce yourself in presence of our audience, and you need to initiate stage 1, and then after subsequent stage 2, what experience you have observed. Please share your experience with our audience.
Hello everyone, myself Anubhav Samnotra, and I've done my BTech from Himachal Pradesh Technical University back in 2018. I've completed my high school from DAV Vidyapit Public Higher Secondary School. Then I've done my intermediate from the same school in stream of non-medical. And after completing my BTech, I've started preparing for the defense services exam, like for CDA, CAPF, and I've even applied for few SSBs. And the first time when I went for the SSB was back in March 2019. I've applied for the CDS INA entry, and there, if you are going for the written entry, then you are aware of the fact that you have to be merit in for the CDS exam, and then you will receive a call letter from the respective SSB center, and then you have to report there. While reporting there, you need to be ensured that you must carry some documents with you, and that documents are fully described in your call-up letter. You need to read your call-up letter because every instruction is given over there. What are the things which you need to carry from your clothing, from your documents, and to the other things which are necessary in SSB, especially in 5-day procedure. And now let me tell you about the first day. In first day, there is a process of reporting. In written entries, you may see about 70 to 80% are reporting, and in technical entries, these due to COVID restriction, these people are going towards reporting is about 200. Earlier, it used to be like 400 or 450, but now due to COVID restrictions, they have reduced the batch strength. Now it is about 200 people who used to report. And the first day starts with your OIR test. OIR test stands for Officer Intelligence Rating Test. In this test, you will get 2 questionnaires. With that 2 questionnaires, you have to complete the test with the given time. The time slot will be given to complete that test will be of 15 minutes and 17 minutes respectively. And after completing your this OIR test, and OIR test consists
Please continue, gentlemen. You were discussing about the officer intelligence rating.
yes. So in officer intelligence rating test, the test consists of some reasoning questions. like easy reasoning questions. अगर मैं आपको example दूं तो like coding, decoding, then some mathematical questions as well, and very easy to moderate level questions are there. And you have to complete within the given time. There is no negative marking. You have to attempt each and every question so that you at least अगर आपने कोई तुक्का भी मारा है तो वो शायद आपका ठीक हो जाए, तो it will benefit you because there is no negative marking, so you might get a chance to score higher in the OIR scoring. And वो जो ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम है वो ऑफिसर अपने अकॉर्डिंग दे देते हैं ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम. वी विल नॉट गो to that process because that is totally assessor thing. We as a candidate, what should be the approach, and वो उस approach को मद्देनजर रखते हुए जो चीजें वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. And the second test again, if you will get 17 minutes or 15 minutes to complete, again you will receive some cube question, some mathematical question, and some coding and decoding questions to complete within a 15 minutes. And after completing your OIR test, the JCO will come, the Ustad will come, and he will instruct you कि भाई बैच में आ जाओ. Firstly, अगर वो पूरा बैच कंडक्ट करना चाहेंगे, like इलाहाबाद बोर्ड पूरा बैच कंडक्ट करते हैं और पूरे बैच को बिठाते हैं to see the PPNDT picture, and after watching that PPNDT picture, an officer will come. He will introduce himself and he will tell some things what you need to do in that particular test. वो आपको इस लेवल पे बताएंगे. अगर जिस इंसान को जीरो भी पता होगा उस चीज के बारे में, he will get to know about the process what we need to do in the second test, which is PPNDT test, picture perception and description test. And in this test you will be shown a image for at least 30 seconds. You have to observe that picture minutely so that you can get to know about that picture कि उसमें दिखाया क्या जा रहा है, because the picture is blurry, hazy. They will show you hazy picture, so just to see your imagination power, आपकी imagination power कितनी और कैसी हो सकती है, just to test your observation skills. This is why they show us a hazy picture, so that हमारा अगर वो clear picture दिखा देंगे तो सबकी एक common story बन के आएगी. But अगर hazy picture होगी, everyone have their own experience and own opinion about the picture. तो उस पर group discussion हो सकती है. This is why they have gone for the hazy picture. And after that, they will give you 4 minutes to write that. 1 minute to complete the table, which will be over there, to complete the action, to mention the character in the given box, and then you have to start writing. You will get 4 minutes to complete the picture test. And after completing your picture writing, again Ustad will come. He will instruct you. भाई आप ग्रुप में खड़े हो जाओ, पहले 15 चेस्ट नंबर इधर, अगले 15 से 30 इधर, ऐसे they will make a group, and according to group everybody will go to the assessor. 3 पैनल होगा वहाँ पे, 3 assessors का पैनल होगा, and assessor will be consisting of interviewing officer, GTO officer, and psychological officer. All the 3 assessors will be sitting in front of us, and they will say, okay boys, you have given the task or you have given the test earlier. How was the test? वो थोड़े से comfortable करने के लिए वो थोड़े से easy questioning करेंगे, so that we can get a confidence, और थोड़ा सा easy करने के लिए. Then वो narrate करेंगे in continuation of that test. You are here for the group discussion. You have to narrate your story for 1 minute, and after once the group have completed the narration from my left to right, the group can start the discussion. You will get a time for the discussion, and then you have to come to the common group solution after this. फिर वो picture perception test का जैसे शुरू होगा, you have to start a narration. You will get 1 minute. Officer को अगर अच्छी लगी या कैसी भी लगी, वो that is totally secondary to the the thing which is in our hand, that we have to put our 100% in narration, because narration matters a more. And how we are narrating that story, that most in this test. And then after completing, once the group have completed the narration, the group have to start the discussion so that everybody can get to a common group solution. जब कॉमन ग्रुप सोल्यूशन पे आ जाएंगे तो दे विल आस्क अस, आप जा सकते हैं रिस्पेक्टिव, और वो बाद में अपना रिजल्ट सुना देंगे. दिस इज द स्टेज 1 और डे 1 टेस्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट.
Okay, gentlemen, so you have completely discussed the complete processes of the stage 1. That is, stage 1 consists of OIR and the picture perception and the discussion test. So the PPDT, it is a basically very diverse topic, and we shall discuss PPDT in a very comprehensive way in the upcoming videos. So in the OIR section and the PPTT section, a lot of candidates were asking their doubts related to the syllabus of OIR and the PPTT. PPTT we shall discuss in the upcoming video. Now in this video, please share the syllabus of the OIR, what will be the domain, fixed domain from where the questions are coming in the different type of the SSB boards. So please share the please share the process of the OIR you have already discussed. You just tell us about the major topics that are covered in the OIR test. Then after we shall continue towards the stage 2.
Okay. If we talk about the OIR test, in first test you will given 15 minutes, and for that 15 minute you might get 35 to 40 questions to complete, and in other tests you will get 17 minutes and another 45 to 50 questions you have to complete. And in both the tests you will get verbal and non-verbal reasoning questions. In one part you will get I believe around 90 questions are there, and 90 questions you might get 25 questions from cubes. Cubes, दो टाइप के cubes के question आएंगे. One is whether this cube is alike to other cube or not. This is a one question. एक cube दिया होगा, कुछ figures embedded होंगी, and to the other cube they have embedded this other figures. तो they have उस question में ये पूछा होगा whether this cube is alike to that cube or not, whether A cube is alike to B cube or not. ऐसे question you might get 7 to 8 question in both the OIR test, in OIR test 1 and OIR test 2 as well. तो और उसके बाद again you will get another cubes question. उसमें क्या होगा, 1 2 3 positioning दी होगी, और उस positioning को we have to find the position of the cube. Suppose हमें दो क्यूब दिए हैं, उस दो क्यूब में if they have given 3 5 6 is in one figure, 3 6 1 is on another figure, then who is opposite to 1 or which number is opposite to 6. तो इस प्रकार का क्वेश्चन होगा. तो और ये क्वेश्चंस भी अगेन 10 to 15 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. तो ये वेटेज क्यूब्स की वेटेज अराउंड 30 questions बन जाते. 25 to 30 questions are there in both the test. If we talk about the cube test, then we have easy reasoning like dictionary words like assemble, like these are the 4 options you will get, and we have to find which number comes from dictionary. ऐसे ही आपको 5 question you will get 5 question in both the test. Then coming to the other test, you might get 3 to 4 questions of maths. Then coding and decoding. Coding and decoding, the questions you will get in both the tests is around 30 questions of coding and decoding. और बस ऐसे ही कुछ और क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, एक दो टॉपिक के लिमिटेड टॉपिक्स होते हैं, और उन्हीं के बीच में आपको ये क्वेश्चंस आएंगे.
Okay, so gentlemen, you have discussed comprehensively officer intelligence test and what type of questions are coming in the OIR test, majorly from the reasoning section and from the mathematical portion also, related to the arithmetic question and related to the English question also, like misspelled word. This type of question is also coming from the English section also. And is there any question from the general knowledge section available in the OIR related to the current affairs, related to the dynamic topics, are available in the OIR or not?
Sorry, your
I mean to say
voice
that
was
is there any question available in the OIR related to the dynamic topics or any current affair question or not?
Again, I'm unable to hear your voice.
Okay, it's
There's a
okay.
network
I'm just
problem.
repeating once again. I mean to say that is there any questions are coming from the dynamic portion from the current, or all the questions are coming from the reasoning?
No, 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 no.
Okay, you mean to say that the
No,
demand
you
of
will
the,
not receive any dynamic question.
okay, okay, okay,
Yes, yes, Rahul, you will not see any dynamic questions from the current affair topics, and the test will be consist of only verbal and non-verbal reasoning.
okay,
And the topic, you have also mentioned the parajumble words, the misspelled words. These are the kind of reasoning question you will get in both the OIR test. It's a very easy. I will not say very easy, but yes, it is easy.
okay. You mean to say that the practice is required. Every person needs to develop some
Yes,
officer like qualities, and that officer like qualities are basically your reasoning ability. How much ability you have in
yes.
order to solve the question within a given time. You have a lot of
Given time,
questions,
yes.
and lot of questions you have to cover within a given time.
Yes, exactly. And this is why this test is there, because it is a time bound test. You have only 17 minutes or 15 minutes to complete 40 or 50 questions. So it's a tough challenge for a customer, or for a candidate to complete this test, because you are aware of this fact that एक मिनट में आपको 2.5 क्वेश्चन खत्म करने हैं. तो आपकी स्पीड कितनी है, आपकी डिसीजन मेकिंग कितनी है, दिस इज व्हाट दे गोइंग टू टेस्ट. और इसी के अकॉर्डिंग दे विल रैंक अस इन ओआईआर, एंड ओआईआर मैटर द मोस्ट. जब हमारा इंटरव्यू होता है तो इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर के पास सबसे बड़ी बड़ी चिप जाती है वहां पे ओआईआर टेस्ट की, इसकी रेटिंग क्या थी, व्हाट इज द स्कोर ऑफ द कैंडिडेट इन ओआईआर टेस्ट. वो कुछ ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर असेसमेंट. उन्होंने वो ग्रेड सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग, जैसे सपोज आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, ए 90% को दे हैव गिवन अ ग्रेड ऑफ ए, 80% दे हैव गिवन अ ग्रेड ऑफ बी, 70% ग्रेड सी, बिलो 60% और 60% ग्रेड डी. So these are the kind of grading system you will get, and this is what the interviewing officer will get to know about your reasoning ability, कि ये बंदा कितना सोच समझ सकता है, और उसी अकॉर्डिंग फिर इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर क्वेश्चन भी करता है इंटरव्यू में.
Okay, so definitely, so OIR test is basically plays a very vital role when your ability is recognized in the SSB board. So we have covered the OIR section also and the PBTT section also, and both things are very important, and majorly the practice is required because everyone
Thank you.
has to compete with the different type of the candidates that will be available throughout India. Okay, so the practice is required. The foremost thing is that if you are unprepared and going to the SSB interview, that is of no use. You need to get prepared yourself before attending the SSB, because a lot of candidates are going out from the stage 2. They are unable to clear the stage 1 and they are unable to report to the stage 2. The major reason behind this is that they are completely unprepared and they don't know that what will happen in the OIR test, what will happen in the PPTT, what needs to do, and what is the basically demand of the OIR and the PPTT. We shall discuss the comprehensive way that what the major and the minor things needs to required in the OIR and the PPTT. In this video we have covered the major things that you need to keep in your mind while writing your story. What kind of pictures will come in front of you, what kind of themes you have to put in your writing story. So all these things we shall discuss in the upcoming video. I hope that you get some knowledge about the OIR and the PPTT. This is the stage 1, and SSB interview basically consists of the two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 consists of 1 day and remaining 4 day is basically stage 2. So now we shall focus on the stage 2. Major things stage 2, under the stage 2, under the different days, what important events will conduct, that will discuss by the Anubhav. So Mr. Anubhav, please tell us that what kind of activities will come in the upcoming days in this stage 2, like TAT, VAT, SAT, SRD, and related to the lecturate also, GD also, GT also. Okay, so major things that we need to focus while our preparation also, that what kind of events will be conduct and on which events we need to focus more, like lecturate, a lot of topics will come there. So what should be our preparation so that we can clear our lecturate also, and we will become more proficient in our GD also, and we can also contribute with our knowledge also. So please let us start the discussion with the stage 2.
Yes, Rahul, you have rightly mentioned about the tests which are there. And once the candidate get selected in stage 2 after completing his stage 1 testing, and once the candidates have made the selection for the stage 2, the very first day is a psychological test day. And in psychological test, each and every candidate have to perform a psychological test in under one hall. And the very first test in psychological test is TAT test, which is thematic appreciation test. And in this test, you will get a slide of 11 pictures, clear images. 11 clear images you will get. They will give you 4 minutes to write that 11 pictures, and you have to write story on that 11 pictures. And after the 11th slide, there will be a 12th blank slide. And in blank slide, you have to write another story about your imagination. कोई भी जो आपके दिमाग में उस समय में चीज आ रही है, या प्रिपेयर जा रहे हो 12th story के लिए, which is well and good. If you are not going prepared for the 12th story, you can go with the flow and you can write a story according to your imagination. And after the completion of TAT, you will get 1 to 2 minute break, and then another test will start, which is WAT test, word appreciation test. In this test, you will get 30 minutes and 60 words will flash on a screen for 15 seconds, and 15 seconds for that, and you will get for 5 seconds that word will remain on a screen, and you will get 15 seconds to complete a sentence on that particular word. Likewise, you have to complete 60 words or as many as words you can complete. कोशिश यही करनी चाहिए कि मिस कोई ना हो, बट अगर कोई मिस हो भी गया तो ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप मिस अ वर्ड और कुछ ऐसे, बट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट अराउंड 60 वर्ड्स इन 30 मिनट्स. वो 15 सेकंड का ब्रेक आता जाएगा. इन 15 seconds you have to complete your sentence, and then the assessor will give you a break of 5 to 10 minutes or maybe 7 minutes. They will give you a breather. जाओ बाहर घूम के आओ, थोड़ा सा चक्कर लगा के आओ to relax your mind, and they will call you, and there will be and then the third test will be a situation reaction test. They will give you a booklet, and in this booklet again you will get 60 questions. अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जैसे WAT में last time we will get only 15 seconds to write our word, write our sentence. There is no time or bond, no time limit. They have given you 30 minutes. You have to complete 60 SRTs or as many as you can in the 30 minutes. और ऐसी ही कोशिश करनी है इसमें भी कि एटलीस्ट 50 तो अटेम्प्ट हो सके. अगर नहीं हो रही देन go for the quality sentences or for the quality reactions. And the fourth test in psychological test is self description. In this you will get 15 minutes to write your self description, and in this self description you have to write an opinion on about your what your parents think about you, then what your teachers think about you, then your friends think about you, then the self opinion, what you think about yourself, and the fifth one, what are the things which you need to improve in yourself. Or you might get or officer might tell you to write what how can you improve yourself, or what are your future goals. So these are the 5 things which you need to write on self description test within a 15 minutes to complete, or ये psychological test.
Okay, gentlemen, Mr. Anubhav, you have completed the psych portion. So the psych portion is also the time bound process. Everyone's capability is different. You need to prepare for the psych test within a given time. And in order to clear this psych test also, you need to prepare yourself within a time bound process. You have to complete all the processes, and you need to contribute the quality content also and the quantity portion also. You have to focus on the quality also and the quantity also, because you will get a lot of the pictures in the TAT, you will get a lot of words in the word section, and under the SRT you will get a lot of the situations also on which you react accordingly. So in this psych test your quality matters a lot and your quantities also matters a lot. So you need to get prepare yourself also for this psych test also, as we have already discussed in the PPTT. So the psych test has been completed now in the stage 2, and under the day 2 your further processes will go on, further activities will go on, like your group discussion, your lecturate, your GPE. So now we are focusing on the group discussion, because group discussion plays a very vital role. Your group discussion will basically decide what kind of person you are and how you are performing in a group, and what kind of observation and your perception you have, and you need to contribute in the group discussion, and you need to some topics in your mind while giving your perspectives in the group discussion. And then after we shall discuss about the lecturate process. So Mr. Anubhav, now you need to cover the day 2, day 3 and day 4 in a very short and the crispy manner, because our audience time is very important for us. We have to cover all the things in a very time bound manner, because this video is also plays a very vital role during the whole preparation of the SSB aspirants. So now you need to just complete in a very precise manner, okay, your discussion, group discussion, and the lecture topic, your GTO, and the last portion is the progressive group task and the GPE. So please let's start.
Okay, Rahul, as you have mentioned all these tasks, I will go one by one about this task. On the second day, you might get a call from the Ustad that candidates का second day वो candidates line up कर देंगे for interview, and third day is of GTO day. और जिनका उस दिन इंटरव्यू नहीं हुआ second day पे, वो third और fourth day पे उनका किसी भी दिन इंटरव्यू हो सकता है. And third day is a GTO testing day, and GTO officer will come, and the very first test will be 2 group discussion. In first group discussion, you will get 2 group topic to discuss, and you have to choose one. With the group consensus, you have to choose one, and you have to you need to have a group discussion on that topic. And after completing that topic, you are again going for another group discussion where you will have no choice. You have to be the part of that group discussion. And after completing the both the group discussion, then the GTO officer will take you to the group planning exercise. एक मॉडल होगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. मॉडल पे दिया होगा वे आप कहाँ पे हो, कैसे हो. GTO officer will narrate you each and everything, and you have to write. You will get 5 minutes to write that whole what are the problems, what is the solution to that problem, what are the resources available in the given model, and what will be the outcome of that whole thing. And after completing your writing test, again the group discussion will start. जो अपने problem आपने prioritize किए हैं उस problem के बारे में लिखना है, then discuss करना है. Then उस discussion के बाद you have to discuss about the solution. What are the solution for that problem? So what are the resources needed to resolve that problems? ऐसे ही आप group planning exercise खत्म कर देंगे. Then you will move towards the PGT test, progressive group task. In progressive group task, you will have to perform 4 tasks. कुछ obstacles होंगे, कुछ structures होंगे. You have to complete that whole structure. और उसके लिए again the ground testing officer will give you 10 to 15 minutes to complete that whole obstacle. और वो कुछ helping material दे देगा like बल्ला, पट्टा and rope to complete that progressive group task. और जैसे प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क खत्म होगा, यू हैव टू परफॉर्म दैट सिमिलर टास्क बट इन अ हाफ ग्रुप मैनर. और एक सिंगुलर एक स्ट्रक्चर होगा, उसको पार करना है आपने. पहले तो आपके पास 4 स्ट्रक्चर थे, यू हैव टू क्रॉस दैट 4 ऑब्स्टेकल, बट नाउ दिस टाइम अराउंड यू विल गेट ओनली 1 ऑब्स्टेकल टू क्रॉस विद द हाफ ऑफ द ग्रुप. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस टास्क, यू माइट गो फॉर द ग्रुप रेस. ग्रुप रेस में चारों ऐसे, अभी हम जो ग्रुप थे वो 4 हिस्सों में स्प्लिट हो चुके थे, और इंडिविजुअली जो ग्रुप ऑफिसर्स थे
ओके
वो एसएसबी एवरी ग्रुप विल टुगेदर. एक 4 ग्रुप अलग अलग ग्रुप बन के में करेंगे, ऑब्स्टिकल को बर्स्ट आएगा, वैसे तो कुछ उसको मिलता नहीं, एक प्रायोरिटी मिल जाती है, देयर आर सम टेस्टिंग फॉर द ग्रुप, एंड देन उस दिन you might have to perform the individual task or lecturate, either the individual task or the lecturate you have to perform, और इन दोनों में से जो भी अगर हो जाता है एक दिन पे, अगले दिन ये आपका डे 3 खत्म हो जाएगा, एंड अगेन यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट ऑन डे 4 6 AM आपको रिपोर्ट करना पड़ता है। अगेन 6 बजे रिपोर्ट करके आपके जो टास्क रह जाएंगे वो होगा लेक्चरेट, कमांड टास्क एंड फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क। अगर लेक्चरेट कंप्लीट करने के बाद द जीटी ऑफिसर विल कॉल यू, ही विल गिव यू द कमांड टास्क, आपको कमांडर बनाया जाएगा, एंड ही विल आस्क यू कि आप 2 सबऑर्डिनेट्स को बुला सकते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू परफॉर्म अ टेस्ट। वही स्ट्रक्चर जो हमने पीजीटी में किए होते हैं, उस स्ट्रक्चर में आपको कमांडर बना के आपकी कमांडिंग एबिलिटी दिखानी है, हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, और इस स्ट्रक्चर को आप कैसे सॉल्व कर पाओगे। ही माइट इंक्रीज द डिफिकल्टीज, वही डिफिकल्टीज को बढ़ाएंगे, he might put pressure on you, तो there are some things will GT officer will do कि आपको टेस्ट करने के लिए, आपका मेंटल स्टेमिना टेस्ट करने के लिए वो आपको परफॉर्म करना होता है, एंड देन देयर इज अ फाइनल टास्क व्हिच इज फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क। उसमें अगेन पूरे ग्रुप को एक जो स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं उसको कवर करना है, स्टार्ट लाइन टू फिनिश लाइन तक।
Okay, you have covered comprehensively the psych test, and then after your group discussion and the group planning exercise, in where you have talk about the problems will come, you will get a lot of resources, and how you are utilize that resources in order to sort out the problem within a time bound process, that matters a lot under the GPE. So in this day 2 of the stage 2, you have to cover all the group discussion and the GPE and the progressive group task that will be available on the ground. So you need to prepare for the physical task as well. And in the upcoming videos we shall discuss about the group discussion, and we will try to make such environment where all the candidates, approximately 10 to 15 candidates, will be available on the screen, and they will discuss on the group discussion topic, and the same environment you will get as available in the SSB boards. And then after the group discussion we will discuss in a very comprehensive manner, okay, and you will definitely get a lot of things, and in order to get yourself touch with you, and in order to participate in the group discussion, you can share your name, you can share your details in the comment section. We will definitely fetch your details and add to you in the group discussion. And apart from the group discussion, we shall also discuss about the group planning exercise. We will conduct a discussion on the GPE also, and then after the last important section on which we can discuss is the